Hey, look at my superpower. My running looks like teleportation.
No, idiot. You're not teleporting. You're jittering.
Jittering?
Yes, your rigid body is jumping between physics updates, which makes your movement look like teleportation.
So, I don't have a superpower?
No, your rigid body settings are just wrong. Let me see your rigid body. Well, the interpolation is set to none. Physics update happens in FixedUpdate, but your game renders frames much more frequently. So your camera sees a player jumping from one physics position to the next. That's why your movement looks jittery. So I changed it to Interpolate.
Oh, it's fixed. So I wasn't teleporting and I've just been embarrassing myself this whole time?
Pretty much. To understand the interpolation better, think about taking pictures of someone running. The first picture is here, and the next one is there. But there are empty moments between these pictures. Interpolation looks at these two positions and create the missing frames between them. That's why the movement looks much smoother. Okay, but there is still another option. Extrapolate.
What's that?
It predicts where the rigid body will be in the next frame.
So, it can see the future?
Not exactly. It makes an educated guess based on the current velocity. Do you know where the extrapolate is commonly used?
I don't know, and honestly, I don't care.
In online multiplayer games, because network updates arrive with a delay. Instead of waiting for the next update, the game predicts where player will be.
So the game is basically guessing.
Exactly.
Wait, was I about to walk through a wall?
No, the prediction was wrong. It guessed you would keep moving, but the wall disagreed, so the system was surprised. So remember, if you set it to none, it caused jitter. Set it to interpolate, it means a smooth movement, but only use this feature for your main character, not for every object. And extrapolate is for prediction and used mostly in multiplayer games.
I preferred being a teleporting assassin. Now I lost my superpower.
Ugh, you were never teleporting. You were just skipping frames.